Iranians had thought they were past the peak of the virus. But the new total of 200 dead within 24 hours has prompted the health ministry to issue a new warning.
Unfortunately, many people didn't listen to me. They didn't take demands of mine and my colleagues seriously. We are facing a new wave now.
It's been 4 months since the virus hit, and it's been responsible for the deaths of nearly 12,000 people so far. The government's blaming the resurgence on guidelines being broken.
I ask our dear people to take masks and coronavirus seriously. Masks and social distancing can prevent the disease by 80%. Now that we are paying such a huge price, people have to take my advice seriously. At the time, my colleagues and I were insisting people pay attention. Many people didn't believe us.
Hospital admissions are also up, including in Tehran, Iran's most populated city and financial center. Some patients have been receiving oxygen in a hospital car park, the wards inside apparently full to capacity. The government has made face masks mandatory, although there's no penalty for not wearing one. And some provinces have reinstated lockdown measures. But the blame, at least from the health ministry, is on the failure to observe guidelines on social distancing and mass gatherings.
I'm in the hospital for about 2 weeks. I didn't abide by corona-related rules. We went to a wedding and 12 members of our family contracted corona. We didn't socially distance. There were many people in the party together. For God's sake, keep socially distancing, wear masks, and observe your personal hygiene.
Since I voted in February, I didn't leave home because I suffer from asthma. For 30 years, I've had asthma. I didn't go out, but my family did. They didn't observe protocols, and yet I got infected.
I had a CT scan and they said it was coronavirus. You have to be hospitalized. I'm begging people to not go out.
The government is also under scrutiny for easing the lockdown early, despite warnings from the health ministry. With the economy struggling, the government faces tough decisions. Reimpose lockdowns and try to stop the spread of the virus and excess deaths, or hope that people will take heed and abide by the rules, something that hasn't worked so far. Baig, Jazeera, Tehran.